Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Xiaomi Poco F3 and you need to do a hard reset on it and the screen is locked and you do not have the pin code. We can bypass that pin code and remove the pin code. It's going to also remove everything else off of the phone, but if you're ready to do that, it's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is with your phone turned off, you're going to press and hold the power and volume up buttons continuously until the phone vibrates and turns on. And then it will turn on into this recovery mode. From here, you're using the volume keys. You're going to scroll down to wipe data, hit the power button to select it. You're going to select wipe data again and then confirm it. And from there, it will wipe all of the data off of your phone and your phone will be like a brand new phone. From there, you can come back to main menu and then instead of hitting wipe data this time, you'll hit reboot and your phone will turn off and turn back on like it did when it came out of the box. And while you're waiting for it to reboot, if you decide you're looking for a credit card, Chase is giving away $200 for free just for signing up for a credit card. I'll put a link in the description.